Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to determine if neti pots actually work. And special thanks to WebMD for their help with the answer. Some ear, nose, and throat surgeons recommend nasal irrigation with a neti pot or other method for their patients who've undergone sinus surgery to clear away crusting in the nasal passages. Research backs up these claims, finding that nasal irrigation may be an effective way to relieve sinus symptoms when used along with standard sinus treatments. For some people, nasal irrigation may bring relief of sinus symptoms without the use of medications.
Nasal cleansing washes the thick layer away, reducing congestion, dryness, and your chance of getting an infection. Nancy cleanses her nose when she feels like it needs it. Dr. Bloom says it's safe to do every day.
The basic explanation of how the neti pot works is that it thins mucus and helps flush it out of the nasal passages. A more biological explanation for how the neti pot works has to do with tiny, hair-like structures called cilia that line the inside of the nasal and sinus cavities. These cilia wave back and forth to push mucus either to the back of the throat, where it can be swallowed, or to the nose to be blown out. Saline solution can help increase the speed and improve coordination of the cilia so that they may more effectively remove the allergens and other irritants that cause sinus problems. So the answer is yes, neti pots can actually help. We'll put a link to one of our favorites in the description below if you want to try it out. I've heard it's kind of fun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Finergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Finergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Finergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.